we are going to start with this question. Draw the triangles having the following sides. So here we have to draw the triangles whose three sides are given. We are going to start with the first question. So let's begin. So children, three lines of line segments are given to you. Let us consider this is AB, this is BC, and this is AC. We are considering triangle ABC, and these are the three sides of that triangle. You can name any triangle when it is not given to you. Okay, I have taken triangle ABC. This is AB, BC, and AC. Now let's see how are we going to proceed. Triangle will be constructed with the help of a ruler, pencil, and a pair of compasses. Okay, first of all, we will take any of the three line segments as the base. Okay, so I am taking 3 centimeter as the base. It is your choice, you can take any of them as the base. I am taking 3 centimeter, so I will draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. Okay, and then the length of the line segment is 3 centimeter. This is BC. So immediately as I will draw immediately I will name the line segment BC and write the measurement 3 centimeter. Okay, now this is done. Now we have to draw line segment AB and AC. For that we need to get, you can see here I have point B, I have point C, but point A of the triangle is missing. So to get point A, we need to intersect two things. You all know that when two line segments or two things intersect, we get a point of intersection. Okay, so to get point A, which is missing in the triangle, we need to intersect. Now what we are going to intersect? We are going to intersect two arcs. See how. We have to mark the length 2 centimeter AB. Okay, so can you see point A here? No, but I can see point B here. So we will take the length of 2 centimeter in our compasses. I have told you how to set the compass. Reduce it to 2 centimeter like this. Okay, this is a length of 2 centimeter. Now I will keep the tip of the compass on B. Remember why on B? Because we are marking the length AB and A is missing, so we will put it on B. Never put it on C. So put it on B and make an arc like this. Okay, now what we have to do? The arc of AB is done. Now we have to make arc for AC. Now AC is 4.5 centimeter long. So now in my compass, I will take the length of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter and then 5 small divisions. This is 4.5. Okay, now the points are A, C. A is not there, so I will definitely put it on C. Nothing to do with B. Always remember beta, when the line segment is AC, I should either have A or C. Nothing to do with B. So A was not there, so I will put on C and make an arc such that it cuts the previous arc. It intersects the previous arc. I will make the arc like this. Now you can see as I made the second arc, it intersected the third arc. Sorry, it intersected the first arc at a point. This point of intersection is the missing point A. Okay, so this is A. Now what I am going to do, I am going to join AB from this point to this point, and when you will join AB, you will get it equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, so then length of AB was 2 centimeter, so you will write here 2 centimeter, and in the same way you will join A to C like this, and when you will join, you will get this length equal to 4.5 centimeter. So see, AC was 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we will construct a triangle. Never rub these arcs, because these arcs are the proof that you have constructed a triangle. Okay, so never rub this arc. You can make them short by erasing, but don't erase them all. Okay.